What's going on, everybody? Tonight we have got 2018 Topps Update Series Jumbo Box. We're getting ready to rip into. Just like last time, I'm going to go ahead and break this thing down and save a little bit of video time so you don't have to watch a whole long video, and then I'll edit through that and we'll get straight into the pack ripping. Alright, so here we go. Alright, with Jumbo you have got 10 packs with 50 cards apiece. Obviously looking for Ronald Acuna still. I've got some of his Topps Update True Rookies, but maybe looking to get some color. We'll see what happens. Also, I'm just kind of, for the most part, fly through these because it's a lot of cards, and I'll do a little recap at the end in case I miss a variation or anything like that. Albies rookie to start. Actually, I don't think that's actually true rookie, but Dylan Cozens, Mike Soroka. We got our first gold, Bautista. Hollow foil, Jose Ramirez. Ichiro. And Judge. Juan Soto rookie debut. So pretty lackluster first pack, but we got 9 more. 9 more of these big old bricks. Alrighty. Alright, make up your mind which way we're gonna go. There's Glaber, All-Star rookie. Shohei Ohtani, true rookie. Let's see. There we go. That's what we want right there. Be nice if that was a gold that instead of that, but that's still not a bad card. That gold Altuve and Judge, that's not a bad one. And then right behind that you got Mr. Trout. And then another rainbow foil. Chris Bryant 83 Topps. David Bott, Glaber Torres rookie debut. Alright. Pack 2 wasn't too bad as far as the rookie content goes. On to pack number 3. Austin Meadows. I really kind of still think pretty high of Austin Meadows. I think he's going to, even though that's not his true rookie, but I think he could turn out to be pretty good. He's obviously going to have to be super great for his cards to do a whole lot now that he's down in Tampa, but it's possible. And our gold is Chapman, Rod Carew, and Diaz, Lourdes Gurriel 83 Topps. Haven't noticed anything that looked like Acuna rookie debut that looked like a variation yet. I know they're generally in the hit spot, but sometimes you can fly past them. So, like I said, I will do a recap at the end in case I've missed one or anything like that. Trout, another Albies. Another Soroka. I think he's got a chance to be pretty good. And Bryce Harper International, Ichiro. And we got our first hit, which is going to be a Salvador Perez All-Star jersey. He's definitely not quite as hot as he was a couple years ago, but still not too bad. Plenty of Aaron Judge. Juan Soto rookie debut. Alright, on pack 5. Still looking for an autograph and one more memorabilia. Hopefully we can dodge the manufactured memorabilia bullet and get at least an actual All-Star or something. And Kutch. Mr. MVP Betts. Ryan Yarborough. Another Dylan Cousins. Come on, give me some kind of good color. Critch Archer. Ted and the blue Ted right behind him. Dylan Bundy 83 tops. Japan's finest, Ichiro and Shohei. There we got Austin Meadows true rookie card. Said he's one of the ones I kind of put back and just see what happens. All right, halfway through, still looking for another for our autograph, and then one more game used, and hopefully a black or something lower numbered than the golds would be nice. Reese. Looks like we've got another hit in here. Looks like another jersey. Kingery. International Affair. It's numbered. It's numbered to 99. Bryce Harper, yay, manufactured patch. Yeah, that's one of the problems I have with this, is them putting these in as a hit. Obviously, you don't really buy Topps Update for the hits as much. You buy it morely for the rookie cards and hopefully your black parallel, stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not real big on the whole manufactured kind of thing, especially if you're, you know, it's technically a relic, but if you're gonna do relics, then do relics. Don't do something that, you know, kind of basically looks like crap. But hey, I mean, I might be wrong. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Still gonna be looking for one autograph, and hopefully a black Ronald Acuna would not be a bad thing. Would definitely take the sour freaking out of my mouth for a manufactured postseason little doohickey thing. Otani rookie debut. Glaber true rookie. I've either flown by any variations or I have not gotten one yet, which kind of surprises me. Because there's so many variations now, just low-end variations, that I'm kind of surprised I haven't seen one. But then again, I could have, and I will go back through. Mr. Torres, true rookie, vintage stock. Or is that vintage stock? That's shiny. I thought the vintage, I don't know if that's, I have to check that out. Either way, that's not a bad pull right there. That's definitely a nice card. It's 89 out of 99. That's definitely one worth sleeving right there. Alright. Mike Soroka 83 Tops. Trout and Shohei. Haven't seen a Juan Soto true rookie card yet, I don't believe. I think he's really the only one of the bigger ones that we don't have a true rookie from. We've got Shohei, we've got Glaber, we've got Ronald. All their true rookies. There's a Acuna on the back. Most likely his rookie debut. Mr. Votto. I think he's really always been a really underrated player, Joey Votto. He just kind of flies under the radar, but there we go. Juan Soto, true rookie. Scott Kingery debut. I know somebody that'll like that card, and all the other Phillies in here. Yuck. Definitely a house divided when it comes to the Phillies and the Braves. But that's alright though. And there is an autography. Franmil Reyes, numbered to 99. Yep. Not super duper great as far as name goes, but having a parallel, that's, you know, always, it's 36 out of 99. It's not terrible. Chris Archer. And I'm definitely going to have to go back through and look for the variations though, because I really kind of figured I'd seen one by now. Albies and Acuna. Alright, 2 packs to go. We got all our hits. So now we're just looking for a nice black parallel or something of that sort to round it out. Hopefully a good name at least. Right now we're kind of teetering on the edge of a good box overall, I think. But that Glaber is definitely a big help. And I mean, there's money, you know, there's value. I wouldn't say money, but there's value in the Bryce Harper manufactured patch, with it would be one of the numbered ones, but it's definitely not my cup of tea. But there is a little bit of, you know, value to it. And we're going back this way now. Lindor, I believe we might, oh, that's black. That's not a variation, that's a black. So that's 54 out of 67. I mean, obviously not a terrible one, but I would have liked to have obviously had an Acuna, a little bit better name for your black. It's almost, I'm not going to say it's a waste of a black, but it's not a great one either. Blue Albies International Affair, Juan Moncada. Kind of speed this up a little bit since we're getting towards the end. So y'all don't have to sit here and watch a 25-minute video. And I'm going to have to go back through and check on those variations, because generally you usually got at least one in a box of jumbo, but I have not seen one that I've noticed. Unless, of course, it's in this pack. Those are gold. Salvador Perez. 3,000. Pulled a pink of that out of a blaster the other day. Unfortunately, I did not film it. It was the last blaster at Walmart, and I just grabbed it. Oh, now that right there does not hurt. That's not bad. That's the true rookie card. That's definitely a decent gold. Definitely a decent gold. I will take it. That might just push it over, just past good, decent box to pretty good box overall. Jimenez. The only thing is I just don't get the variation. It just might not be one in this box. We'll see. We'll go back through and, like I said, throw a recap after I get done. to make sure I didn't miss one. But that's definitely not a bad way to end the break with the gold Ohtani. I'll be right back with a recap. All right, just a quick little run through of the key stuff. Ended up with All-Star Stitches, Salvador Perez. Then the manufactured postseason gold of Bryce Harper, 7/99. Was one variation, was the Ichiro. Lorenzo Cain Black out of 67. Then the Fran Reyes. It's actually a little bit better card than I thought it was. Being on the East Coast, I wasn't real familiar with him, but it's not too bad of a pull. Nice on-card autograph. The gold Altuve and Judge, and then of course the gold Ohtani, and then obviously the best card out of the box was the Gleyber Torres vintage stock. Obviously pulled pretty much all the rookie cards and all the rookie debuts. So that's a wrap. Thanks everybody for watching, and if you're enjoying these, please subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.